Hi everyone. I'm trying a new app called StreamYard to see if I can go live later. Um, let's see. I have movement, so I'm gonna have to go to my camera and I don't want well, there's going to be movement, so I'm going to have to figure this out later. Okay, so anyway, here's the update. Let's just see if this works. So you know how I made this album to hold uh, lace? The update is the way I told you before was to put them together. You can glue these two together, put tape on it. I'm sorry, I still have a cold. I haven't talked, so I didn't realize once I started talking it was going to cause a problem. I'm sure it's going to irritate somebody that I'm coughing, but I can't help it. But anyway, so let's put on this one and see if it goes on easier, if it works better for anybody. And also I can figure out if this new video works. And if it works, then sometimes it might be easier to go live instead of taking the double the time to upload and all that. Maybe I can make a video and all at one time. Okay, so you see that I'm adding tape and glue to my hinge. I'm taking one side of my hinge and I'm putting it on the holder on the hinge. And I'm trying without touching that tape. I didn't have to take that one off on then one side, I guess. But we learn as we go. So now I'm going to put the glue on this part instead of the other way I told you. This might be quicker and easier, or it makes it the thickness the same. And we're going to put glue everywhere else because we're going to glue these together. The only thing about this is it may not make at the top it be exactly hinged, glued together as crisp. It may have a little edge on the top, so we'll see. But this is a craft handmade item, and if you give this away and they don't like it because it's not perfect, then you shouldn't be making handmade items for that type of person because they're not grateful or appreciative. So yeah, but the people that I give stuff to love handmade items and they're appreciative. So do we want it to meet up here more and have it more meet up here? I think so. So we're going to start from the top and then work our way down. Yeah. So it still has a nice level edge on it. And down here, everything is white, so it all flows. And you would have to get a magnifying glass to see. So yeah, instead of doing it the other way of the hinge, this way was just as fast and just as easy. So you have two different ways to put the hinge on. So there is that finished project. So I hope you like it. I'm just now using this new stream yard. So let's see if I'm going to stick with it or not. Thank you, everyone. Have a blessed day. I've got to figure out how to not have the bumping and going on with the camera, but I'll figure that out or I'll ask somebody. Have a blessed day. All my links are down below. Thank you.